Alright, it's showdown time. 5 WordPress booking plugins, 8 brutal tests, and 1 single winner. So I threw all 5 in the ring and tested them till one came out on top. Let's go. Meet our 5 contestants in alphabetical order, so there is no favorites here. Number 1, Amelia, the powerful one. It can do almost everything, but it's not easy to learn. Number 2, BookingPress, the all-rounder. Easy to use and powerful. Could this be the one to beat? Number 3, Bookly, the old-timer. It's been around for years and a lot of people use it, but is it still good? Number 4, Booknetic, the good-looking one. It looks clean and modern, but can it do the hard work too? And number 5, Simply Schedule Appointments, the easy one. It's the simplest to set up, but can it run a big business? 5 plugins, 1 crown. Let's see who wins it. 8 tests, 1 tick each. So first, is it easy to set up? Does it look modern or dated? Is it easy to make changes and customize? Can it handle big teams? What about smart automation? Does it have lots of add-ons? Does it work on multi-locations and repeat bookings? And finally, is it good value for money? The board starts empty, 1 test at a time. Let the games begin. So round 1, is it user-friendly and can anyone install it without crying? So when it comes to ease of use, 2 plugins stood out, Amelia and BookingPress. So let me show you quickly. So right after installing Amelia, you'll be redirected to an easy 4-step setup wizard. And the first step is to set your default time slot steps, create your employee, and then what is the booking used for services or event or both, and then create your service. And that's it, you're up and running already. And BookingPress will get you there in 5 easy steps. The first one being your company details. Next are all your booking options. And then you have staff details. So what I really like about BookingPress is that you can add as many team members right from here. Check this out how easily I'm going to add multiple team members. And then another one. And there you go. Just like that, I added 3 team members. Create your service or services. You can add more than one as well. Choose your font and primary colors. And there you go. You're done already. Now, Booknetic walks you through a guided setup too, and Simply Schedule were 3 quick steps. So 4 of them make it easy. The only one that fights you is the old-timer Bookly, a bit scattered everywhere. So Bookly drops the very first round. Okay, so round 2, looks. And this isn't just for show, it's the actual screen that your customers book on. Amelia has a new and improved layout. All you have to do is select your services. So let's go for a haircut. Select your employee. You can even select extras and then select date and time. And that's it. You're good to go. BookingPress also has a very clean UI. So select your service and it will jump straight to the next step. Select your date, the time. And that's it, now your appointment is confirmed. Booknetic is probably the best looking one of all, so you select your service, select your date, the time, enter your details, and that's it, you're done already. Simply Schedule also has a very nice interface. Select your date, the time, enter your details, and there you go, your appointment is booked. What I really like with them is that they provide you with extra links here underneath. You can edit your information, reschedule, cancel the appointment, or schedule a new appointment altogether directly from here. And I think this is a very good idea. The only one that's a bit of a letdown is Bookly. As you can see, the interface looks a bit dated for 2026. That looks like more a 2014 type of website. And also, I'm sorry to say, but too many steps here. You know, you need to select the category, and then this, and then the employee. And also here underneath, I'm not too sure what this is for, but I'm available on or after. So let's untick a few here and let's click next. And then what on earth is this for layout? I mean, this is dreadful to be honest, you know. So I'm just going to play along and then enter your details and then you can pay up front as well. And there you go. This is the thank you page. Quite basic to be honest. So everyone gets a tick except the old timer. Okay, round 3. How much can you bend it to fit your business? So BookingPress first. Check this out. From your BookingPress dashboard, you have a customized section right here. You can customize your forms and also add custom fields. And when we say customizing, we mean literally everything. Right here on top, as you can see, you can customize the colors. If you scroll down, you can customize the sequence as well. So we have the service selection followed by the date and time selection and then your details, which is exactly the same order we have in the front end. Now again, you can customize this as you see fit. If you scroll down the page, you have all these different options. For instance, do you want to hide the service selection step right here on top? Do you want to hide the service duration? Do you want to hide the service price? Hide time slots that are already booked. How do you want to display your time? After booking, where are you going to redirect them? A built-in page page or an external page. And then we also have the customer panel in the front end, which can also be fully customized. And then you can create your own custom fields using a simple drag and drop form builder. Do you want to add a drop-down menu in between those two? Simply drop it there, enter your different options, customize your settings, and there you go, you've got your own custom fields. And here's the thing, Amelia does this too. Bookly does this as well, and Booknetic, well, it's got a proper form builder too. So from the dashboard here, scroll down the page, you have all these different options, and right here you have the custom forms and customer fields. From here you can create any new form that you want, give it a name and select your service. And now you can create any form that you want using the simple drag and drop feature. So let's do this together. Let's enter this one first, followed by a number perhaps, maybe a text area. And there you go, your form is created in just a few seconds. Now let's check the other option here, the customer fields, which is based on the exact same principle, and you also have conditional logic. Now I'll be straight with you, I half expected Booknetic to run out of the road here, and it just didn't. So 4 of them give you real control, the only one that stays deliberately simple is Simply Schedule, which is kind of the whole point to be honest, but it means it sits this round out as well. Okay, so round 4. Big teams, so lots of staff, lots of calendars, a real busy business. So if the plugin can't handle that, it's no use to anyone serious. So BookingPress, Amelia and Bookly all built for it. So that's 4 again. The only one that taps out is Simply Schedule. It was never meant for big teams and it doesn't pretend to be anyways. And so far Amelia, BookingPress and Booknetic still have a perfect score. Very good, so now round 5, automation. So this is all the stuff that runs without you. So reminders, follow-ups, messages that go out on their own. Amelia has its own notification sections that you can use to customize all the emails. Approved, pending, rejected, cancel, and you can customize the full content right here. And also you have Amelia for SMS and WhatsApp. And BookingPress got you covered as well. They have a dedicated section just for your notifications on approval, on pending, on rejection, and so on and so on. You can use all sorts of variables as well and customize its content right here. Now the big winner of this round without a shadow of a doubt is Booknetic, which has its own dedicated workflow builder. So let's say new order, thank you email. So you decide what happens. So when you receive, for instance, a new booking, what will then happen? Well, you're going to send an email perhaps and then create. And there you go, you have your workflow here. And now you can customize your email as well and customize its content right here. Now, Bookly does the basics fine too, so reminders, confirmation, nothing too clever, but it turns up, and Simply Schedule can fire confirmation emails, and that's about it. So no builders, no real automation. So for this round, this is the one that taps out. Okay, so round 6, add-ons, because the plugin you start with should grow with you. So the quickest way to judge it, well, look at this store here, BookingPress. It's almost never ending. Look at this, you have so many different add-ons that you can use to customize your website and add extra features. Just the payment gateway, look at all of these that are available. Literally all the most popular ones are represented here. And you also have additional integrations like Google Calendar and so on and so on. I mean, look at this, guys. This is absolutely really impressive. Now, Bookly is huge here too. The old timer's been around so long, it's probably got the biggest pile of add-ons of anyone. And Booknetic's got a built-in store right inside the dashboard. It's called the Bookstore. But then you check Amelia, and for such a powerful tool, there's surprisingly little to add. When it comes to additional features, you have taxes, deposit payments, so these are basic features when you think of it, and very few integrations as well, albeit all the most popular ones. And Easy Schedule has almost nothing. So here's the first real split at the top. Amelia finally drops a point, but BookingPress and Booknetic, well, still perfect, still tied. Okay, so round 7, do you need to handle multiple locations and repeat bookings? So BookingPress, watch this. You can manage multi-locations, no problem whatsoever. You could have maybe Dublin, Cork, Galway, Donegal and Athlone. They will then show up in your appointment page where you can select specific locations for each one of them. And to enable the recurring booking, this is a per service option. And simply scroll down the page to enable or disable it as you see fit. Now, Amelia, Bookly, and Booknetic all do this too, to be fair, so they all get a tick. Now, the only one that hits its ceiling here is the easy one. Simply Schedule just can't. And final round, round 8, the last one, it's about money. So what's this actually going to cost you? So Simply Schedule is free to start, but expensive to grow. If you want all the features we just discussed, you need the business edition, which will cost you $399 per year. Amelia gives you everything in one price, with their Pro plan being $199, and Booknetic's keenly priced as well, with their most popular plan being $199. Now bear in mind that when you renew, you will not be renewing at the same price of $199, but $399. And for BookingPress, they bundle a huge amount into one low price. At just $89 per year, you get 20 payment gateway and 45 plus add-ons all included. And for a little extra at $139 per year, you can use that on 3 different websites and you get even more features and add-ons. Now, if you want the ultimate package, you can go with this one at $249 per year. Absolutely amazing value, up to 20 different websites. And here you get all the features you could ever dream of. And then there's Bookly. He looks cheap at first, but if you want Stripe, you have to buy this. Google Calendar, that's another $16 per year. Recurring bookings, that's going to cost you another $12.99 every year. Every feature you actually need, well, ka-ching, another charge until that cheap plugin is actually the priciest thing on your shortlist. So Bookly dropped the last one, everyone else takes the value tick. And that's the board full, so let's count them up. Simply Schedule, 3 points. Easy and cheap, but it can't run a big business and it knows it. Bookly gets 5 points. A legend, still solid, but it's showing its age and it will empty your wallet. And Amelia gets 7 points. Very, very close. Now it's powerful, gorgeous, and brilliant at automation, but unfortunately let down by one thing, that thin add-on store. And then to the top, BookingPress 8, a perfect score every test, and Booknetic also 8, a perfect score every test as well. Alright, so I'm not going to pretend otherwise. We've got a draw here, so 2 plugins run the whole board. So how do we break it? Well, I suppose we have to go by absolute value. So let's dig down a little deeper to see what you're actually getting with each plan to find out who the winner is. Now, apart from the obvious one, which is the price, so $99 for the standard plan, it's only $89 with BookingPress, and $199 for the premium one, and only $139 for the professional plan with BookingPress. What are the extra additional features? Well, let's compare all the plans. So the first massive difference is the payment gateway. So right here at $199, Booknetic only provides you with 2, Stripe and PayPal. That's it. Now if you need any of the others here underneath, so Square, Molly, Razorpay, Mercado Pago, or to checkout, you'll have to get the Elite plan at $299 per year. Now bear in mind, this is only for the first year. It will renew at $599 after that. Now compare this to BookingPress. With their standard plan at only $89 per year, you already get access to 21 plus payment gateways. This is by far the highest amount of payment gateways of all. I mean, check this out, guys. All the big names are there, and those payment gateways are available from any plans onwards. And same story when it comes to the notifications. With the premium plan, you don't get SMS notifications or WhatsApp notifications or Telegram notifications. None of these are included. Again, if you want these, you'll have to get the Elite plan at $299, which renews at $599 per year afterwards. And when you compare that with Booknetic, you get access to all of these, so WhatsApp notification, Telegram notification, or SMS notification, even with the standard plan at just $89 per year. And there you have it, guys. The 2026 undefeated booking plugin winner is BookingPress. As always, guys, I leave all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. And that's Showdown.